Just thought I'd make a quick video here on fixing the heater hose on the Bel Air. I fixed it, I don't know, 3 or 4, maybe 5 days ago, and this video may not go up for a few more days, but anyway, here it is, the video on fixing up the heater hose. Alright, so I'm fixing the heater hose. I already moved the clamp and broke the hose free with my little tool here. Now we're gonna pop. Can you hold the camera while I pop that hose off, and then I'll hand you the hose, and then I'll take the camera and get a video of you cutting it off. I guess I can't hold the camera, just here. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Right there?
Yep. Just keep the hose up and take the camera. There we go. Okay, that was all the help I needed, and I'll put the clamp back on if you want to video me putting the clamp back on with my special clamp tool. Oops. Let's turn these things a little bit here. And that should do it. That should be the repair. All right, I'm going to check the coolant too in the radiator. Those hoses are 35 years old, I looked. And the coolant's actually right up there. I might just put a cup in the radiator just to make sure. I'll get a light and show you. There's the inside. I just added a little distilled water. I didn't bother putting antifreeze in. It has plenty of antifreeze. And you see it's a 4-row radiator. They call it a desert cooler. So this car has no problem staying cool. All right, I'm gonna go get my wallet and keys. I got to do some running around, and I'm gonna take this just to make sure the coolant is all set with it. Now I'm gonna start it up and then turn the heater on to get any air pockets out of there, and hopefully that will Alright, I'll let it run a few minutes. I'll turn the heat on, maybe turn the fan on too so I can feel when the heat starts coming out. Not like we need heat today, right? Wipe up underneath there. I didn't do that, so. Those hoses are starting to get a little warm, so coolant's flowing through them. Yeah, I really need to replace the hoses. That'll probably be in the future. I have them, all of them. Like I say, I bought them about 15 years ago to change them out, but never did. I just run some really old hoses, I guess, clean up some of this antifreeze from doing that. Running on the fast idle cam right now. Alright, I'm going to let it warm up and check for leaks. It's under pressure. It's pressurized already. And it's still, the engine's still pretty cold, but we'll let it warm up a little bit and keep an eye on it. Can you feel the heat blowing out of the heater? Yeah, it's pretty warm air blowing out of there, and the temperature gauge is still down just off of cold. It's about 60 miles round trip to where I went to that cruise in Lake Orion from here. Alright, I think I'm going to turn the heater off here in a minute. I'd like the thermostat to open. I think I'm going to leave it on until the thermostat opens. Then I'll turn the temperature off and leave the fan on to cool the heater core. And then I got some running around to do. Thermostat still hasn't opened yet, but the air coming out of that shows it about 145 degrees, 150. So you can see the coolant temperature is coming up. And once the thermostat opens, like I say, I'll turn the heater off. And you can feel the air coming through the fan really warm once the thermostat opens. You'll know when the thermostat opens. It's got to be getting close. Go over to the thermostat side. I think the thermostat just opened. Thinking. Yeah, the air coming out of the fan's warm. I don't know if that shows up in there or not, but yeah, the thermostat's definitely open. It's got a 180 thermostat in it. The air was starting to cool in the fan, so it obviously had closed back up. Turn the heater off. I think that it's got any air pockets out. Yeah, it's definitely warmer right where the coolant comes out of the engine. Alright, I think that's all good. I think I'll turn the engine off for a minute and have a gander why it's, make sure the hose connection's not leaking. And then I'll go do my errands. Everything looks good. We'll call that good. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely hit the like button. It helps. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon that pops up will subscribe you. And thank you for watching my video.